Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do us a favor, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you've not followed us on Telegram yet, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Telegram channel. Follow us on Telegram. We'll be posting out one or two useful information for you guys there. Now let's start with this GBPJPY. Let's start with this higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. So if you see this movement from here, this is around the level of 2020, right? This is the level of year of 2020. Guess what has been happening on GBPJPY? Bullish move. Bullish. We got to the year of 2020, year of 2021, year of 2022, and see the year of 2023 is about to be over, and we are still bullish. Meaning, buyers is still a bullish move. Now let's start for this quick. This is the impulse move, right? Within this impulse move, we are having an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then this is the corrective wave. Within this corrective wave, there's a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Then this is the new impulse move. We took out this previous highs. Within this impulse move, there is an higher highs, higher lows. Then here comes the corrective wave. And now we've gotten the new impulse move. You can see that this new impulse move took out this previous highs, right? We add a little bit of it. I will not call this a corrective wave. I'll say a little bit of a pullback, probably to just pull back, because if you take a look at this, if this is the higher highs, this is the an higher lows, this is also an higher highs, then this should be a pullback, which is the higher lows. So we are expecting another movement, thereby we should be expecting a new highs to take out this previous highs. So GBPJPY, our bias is still to the upside. So basically we've actually broken this highs, by the way, have it in mind, we've broken it, or you can call it a equal highs, whatever, but without I'm saying it has broken the highs. So what we just have to see is to push it more up. More bullish move is to push it up clearly. Now that should take us to the 4-hour time frame. So within this movement, you can see this is higher highs here and higher lows, higher highs here. Here comes an higher lows, higher highs. What is market currently doing now? Market is currently playing out an higher lows. So higher lows is literally playing out. So once this higher lows plays out finish, then another higher highs will be made. So basically, we still be expecting more movement to the upside on GBPJPY. But if in case we get a change of character whereby market break this previous higher lows, give us a pullback and give us another new lower lows, then it means our bias or direction has changed. If it does not do that, then expect more bullish move to the upside. But if it does that, then we can now start seeing a drop on GBPJPY. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.